How to buy from Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a purchase on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, you want to get the application on your Play Store or App Store. You can get it easily. Once you have downloaded it, you want to simply open it up and log in. Now, I've already made a separate video on how you can log in or sign up on Temu, so you can check that out. But here, once you log in or sign up, here you should get an interface like this. Now, first things first, you can either search for the particular item that you're looking for from the search bar at the top. Now, if you're just scrolling through the page and you found some item that you wish to make a purchase, then you can simply tap on it, or you can simply add on cart by tapping on the cart icon that you'll find below every item. So if you tap on cart, it will give you an option and it'll be added to cart here, as you can see. And if there are various sizes and such available, it'll ask you to choose the size and colors and such. But if not, it'll directly add it to your cart. Now, once you have added to your cart, as you can see, it's asking me the color. I'll just select burgundy color, and you can see the size single, queen, twin, and such. So you can select the quantity as well, and then you can add it to cart. Once you have added to cart, now from the home page, you can head into cart easily. At the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see the cart option. You can tap on cart, and here now you can simply tap on checkout once you select the item that you wish to check out, and then it'll ask you to enter in your payment method. If you have card, if you have PayPal, Afterpay, Jip, Klarna, and such, and then you can apply coupon codes if you have any, and then add in your delivery addresses and verify that your address is correct. Tap on submit order, and you're good to go. So this way you can buy from Temu. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.